Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paint Michael Myers on nails. Let's go. All right, so I'm using an orange cat eye for the background. Now I'm going in with Whitezilla gel polish for my brand. And we're going to start by mapping out Michael Myers' head. His face is shaped similar to a diamond. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want to make sure that it's kind of slanted to the right-hand side. Right under that, we're going to draw the bottom half of his mask. Now we're going to create the neck. It's a half a circle. Make sure the shade is in a nude color. We're going to draw a knife on the side right here. Create a long and pointy triangular shape. On top of that, draw the handles in black. And of course, we're going to do the little tiny fingers over that. We're going to fill in this whole bottom area with a navy blue shade, going in with shadow effect gel. I'm going to start by sketching out his face. Doing this first will help me map out exactly where his face features are going to be. I started with the nose. You want to draw two little small almond shapes here for the eyes. We're creating the brow and now the mouth. Don't forget to draw a line right underneath that. Now we're going to add some shadows and highlights. I used yellow, white, and gray to get the shading on his face. And then on the left, I'm creating more of a highlight. I'm using more yellows and whites. Right here on his cheeks, you want to make sure you're getting that nice gray contour. I'm adding all of the gray tones, shadows on the right side of his face. Right at the bottom, make sure you add a little bit of yellow to give those cheeks a chiseled look. I'm adding some darker tones on his face, brown on the left-hand side and black on the right. I'm using Grim Black liner to color in his eyes. And now with a gray tone, I'm just going to round up that nose. So here I went over the lines of his face with a darker gray shade. Here I am outlining the mouth. I'm darkening up this area right here by the eye, on top of his lip. For the neck, I just used brown and white and just mixed it in together. You want to draw a V going down like this with black. And now let's go ahead and do the hair in brown. Make sure you fill all of this in. Create the highlights of his hair. I totally forgot to record that. And now you just want to go ahead and line everything up. Let's go ahead and outline his skin brown instead of black. Finishing off with the rest of the outlines here on his hair. For the outfit and the shirt here, you want to outline it all in white. Add your favorite matte top coat, you guys, and this is your Michael Myers. He looks so freaking good. Now here I couldn't decide which one is better. Do you like the matte version or do you like the gloss? I preferably love the gloss with the blood dripping on the side. So iconic. I love it. What do you guys think of this video? Let me know down in the comments and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Bye.